Dip it in the sauce. Oh my God. So good. I would recommend having some gum.
Those are some big shrimp.
Can I give you a this is what we came for. Are you ready for this shit? I don't think you're ready for this. Alright, this is a claw. Alright, baby. Here. Here. Your hands will smell like vagina. I'm just saying. Just like the video. Hold on, wait. Yeah? Okay. Try the butter. You gotta try the butter. The next one, try the butter. I'll try a little bit of both on each one. On each bite. Eat that one first the way you did it. And then break another one. Here. All you gotta do is just peel it, like you said. Just peel it. It's already cracked for us. And then dip it in the butter. That shit's on point. Okay, you ready? Go for it. No, not that one. The big one. Dip it in butter. Yep. All right, babe. Stone crab. Yeah? I liked it.
Yeah.
I thought it was good. I'm stealing the shrimp, and you got the crab. Babe, this was perfect dinner. We're not over full. How is that?
Oh, yeah.